If you're reading this, I'm dead. Or missing. Probably both. As usual, I got myself in one heck of a mess. The name's Wolf. Stanley Wolf. I'm a private eye. Best there ever was. Best a small Christian college could afford, at least. It's a cold and dark November night. One of those evenings where one might think they would be fine with a light jacket, or even a sweater, but the night deceptively chills you to the bone. Fitting. I should explain how I got myself in this position in the first place. Like most tragedies, it starts with a dame, and a crime, both of which were way out of my league. It's about money. It's always about money. Flex. Someone was stealing flex from poor, unsuspecting students. I had called the most recent victim in for an interview. Willow Westland, freshman in the teacher ed program, and man do they need their coffee. She's pretty popular. Rumor has it, she has friends in high places.
You wanted to see me?
You wish. Heard you're going through some trouble, though.
Yes, it's just horrible, isn't it? However will I get my soy caramel macchiatos?
Yeah, tough life. So, what do you know?
Wouldn't you like to know?
I would.
How do I know I can trust you?
I could say the same thing about you.
Well, I'm not one to gossip, but a little bird did tell me it was Kevin.
Which one?
Asian Kevin.
Which one?
The OG Asian Kevin.
Oh. I knew the one. He was into all sorts of bad business. Things were starting to get interesting.
What do you want?
I think you know why I'm here.
I followed all your rules.
You really want me to believe that you don't know what's going on?
I might know a thing or two, but I can't give it to you for free.
Then to clear your name.
I want more reach, but I'm not caught up in all this flex crap.
I shouldn't have to remind you. Plus, this is not a negotiation. Tell me what you know.
Comme le pote, ton stupide. All I know is that he has a seat at the high table. He has a code name, Digest, Dear Cheese, I don't know what it is. It's time for you to leave. Stanley, this guy, he's bad for your business. And if you keep going, it'll be good business. For the morgue.
Stop investigating now, before you end up 6 feet under. Dirgists.
What's that?
I need a dirty polar bear. Stat!
I don't think you need a dirty polar bear. I think you need to try our new Canadian roast.
Canadian roast. They got polar bears in Canada?
I think it's what you need tonight.
Not bad. Made in Winnipeg. Thanks anyways, Toast. It'd been a long night with nothing to show for it. Reunions, bruised heads, and bruised egos. I was going nowhere. Maybe some fresh air would clear my head. That's when I got a text from Willow. Seemed urgent. First, I had to attend to my fares. Whenever there's funny money involved, you know that the big cheese is not far behind. Durgists, Winnipeg. It's right there. Durgist, Winnipeg. Winnipeg, Durgist. Winnipeg, Durgist. Durgist, Winnipeg. There's gotta be a connection. I can't see it. It's staring me in the face. Durgist, Winnipeg. Winnipeg, Durgist, Durgist, Winnipeg. Ah, it's on the tip of my tongue.
Hey there.
I know.
I know you know. That's why he's here.
Don't be afraid. Why would you do this, President Wiggins? Why?
Really, this is what the president is about. We want entrepreneurial hands.
How big is this racket? How deep does it go?
We're going to start here with about 40 students.
And once we got them all, they won't know what hit them.
There's no way. You're not powerful enough for this yet.
Well, I'm going to tell you something. I've had the opportunity to go to China and lead a delegate.
Stanley, don't believe her. It's a trap.
I know, Toots.
It's over.
Don't listen
Join
to her.
us already.
You're better than this.
Join me in
If
my
you-
enthusiasm.
Wake
Don't do it.
up.
Don't be afraid. Don't
Wake.
be afraid. Be afraid. Be afraid.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. The president is ready to see you now.